Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever felt lost keeping track of everyone's feedback on files and documents, or found yourself spending hours hunting for the most recent version in a sea of emails, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the proofing feature in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll be able to review, comment on, and approve files all in one organized place. Let's jump right in and see how proofing can really transform the way your team collaborates. First up, let's enable proofing in Smartsheet. Open up the sheet where you want to collect your files. This could be anything, maybe it's a marketing project, a design review, or that new policy document everyone's been waiting for. To keep files nice and tidy, you'll want to add an attachment column if your sheet doesn't already have one. This lets you attach files right to specific rows. Alternatively, you can use regular row attachments if that fits your workflow better. Either way works. Now, upload your file, pretty much any kind. PDFs, images, videos, or even spreadsheets. Once the file is attached, just click on it and you'll see an option labeled Proof. Go ahead and select that. What you've just done is opened up a shared space where your team can comment, review, and collaborate directly on the file, right inside Smartsheet. No more jumping between apps or endless reply all email threads. Now let's bring your team into the mix. To do that, you'll invite reviewers by entering their email addresses. They'll get a straightforward notification letting them know there's a file ready for their input. You don't have to worry if your teammates aren't already avid Smartsheet users, the invite will guide them in. This step is crucial because it centralizes everyone's input. Instead of feedback getting lost in Slack threads or lengthy email chains, all the communication happens right here, attached directly to the file. With your reviewers looped in, it's time for everyone to add their thoughts. Reviewers can click directly on the file and leave comments exactly where they want. Think of it a bit like sticky notes on a printed page or comments in a PDF, but all in one secure spot. Maybe your designer wants feedback on a specific corner of a graphic. Just tap and comment right there. And if you need to update the file, you can upload a new version, which keeps all the past feedback organized and easily traceable. No more confusion about which version is the latest or which feedback goes with which draft. Once the reviewing is done, it's decision-making time. Stakeholders can go in and either approve the file if everything's perfect or request changes if something needs tweaking. It's as easy as clicking a button, no ambiguity or guesswork. Everyone on the proof sees the status, so you know instantly where things stand. To wrap up, monitoring the proof's status is super simple. Right from your sheet, you can see if the file still in review has been approved or if someone has requested updates. And if you're managing lots of files, you can pull up reports or even a dashboard to see the big picture across multiple proofs, perfect for project managers or anyone juggling several reviews at once. So why use Smartsheet's proofing feature? It centralizes your whole review process so you're not hunting through emails for feedback. You've got clear version control and an approval history at your fingertips. Most importantly, your team works together faster, making collaboration smooth and easy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Smartsheet guides. Got any questions or want to share how your team uses proofing? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next tutorial.